Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we're talking about the best bed frames on Amazon. This one, you guys, is so beautiful. It's wrought iron. It's got that gorgeous headboard and footboard. It's from the Tusser store. You guys, Tusser is a great brand on Amazon. They have a great reputation, lots of 5-star reviews, and they even offer a 5-year warranty, so you can buy with confidence. I love the look of this bed. It's something, a little bit different, definitely eye-catching, but it's also still really, really classic. It's never gonna go out of style and always gonna look good. No matter what sort of decor you're going for, this can really match and fit into the space. Like I said, it's got that gorgeous headboard, gorgeous footboard, and it's actually got quite a bit of space underneath. 13 inches of clearance, so that way you have plenty of room to store things under the bed. If you're like me and you like to put your quilts and sweaters and Christmas decorations under the bed, this is a great option for that. This is also a platform bed with slatted base design. That means you do not need a box spring for it. Save you a little money on the box spring and also just give you a more modern finish. I think, it takes some of the bulk out, and I really think that it looks great for, a room that maybe is on the smaller side. Not having that box spring, you'll notice everything looks a lot bigger and open and cleaner. This design in particular is really good because they're going to give you that anti-slip tape design and also foam padding, so you're not going to have to worry about noise or any of those slats moving around. Everything's going to be very secure, stable, durable. Weight limit of 660 pounds, so it's just very sturdy, high quality bed. Plus, it looks beautiful and it's super easy to put together. So if you guys are in the market for a new bed, this is a great option. Go ahead, put it in your cart. You'll be really glad you did.